Nice one, guys. So basically, I was in the kitchen and I just made this beautiful ackee and saltfish with some fried dumpling this morning for breakfast. Now, this is a really typical Jamaican dish, but it is also a vegan dish. Normally, the Jamaican dish with the ackee, it goes with saltfish. My one is just straight vegetables, fried dumpling, vegan butter, and also vegan milk, and the plain flour with some sugar is amazing. It is fantastic. So, guys, if you guys want to see the full episode of this and an amazing video, guys, you're gonna have to go to Chef Ricardo YouTube channel and watch the full episode. All right. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned in, and I will be soon with more recipes and more ideas for you guys to make at home. Please enjoy it and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. We got a lot more recipes